Hey there, folks, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're delving into a topic that often leaves people wondering: decoding the signals when women sexually flirt with you. If you've ever found yourself perplexed by mixed signals or unsure about someone's intentions, you're in the right place. But before we jump into this intriguing subject, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful content. Let's get started. Segment 1. The power of eye contact. One of the most potent ways women sexually flirt is through eye contact. Intense, lingering eye contact, often accompanied by a suggestive smile, can be a clear signal of attraction. Segment 2. The playful touch. Physical touch is another strong indicator of sexual flirting. It may start subtly, like a playful touch on your arm or shoulder. These tactile gestures can progress to more intimate contact if the attraction is mutual. Segment 3. Teasing and banter. Teasing and playful banter with a sexual undertone are common when women want to express their interest. It's a way to spice up the conversation and create a charged atmosphere. Segment 4. Compliments that turn heads. Compliments are great, but when they take a more sexual tone, they can be a dead giveaway. Phrases that highlight physical attributes or sensual qualities are often used in such cases. Segment 5. Subtle innuendos. Innuendos with a hidden, risque meaning are a sign of sexual flirting. These can be like inside jokes only the two of you share. Segment 6. Initiating deep conversations. When women initiate deep, intimate conversations with you, it's often an invitation for more personal connections. These talks may explore desires, fantasies, and past experiences. Segment 7. Sending flirty texts. In the digital age, flirty texts have become a common way of expressing sexual attraction. Messages with suggestive language or emojis are clear indicators. Segment 8. Desire for alone time. A woman who's sexually flirting might express a strong desire for alone time with you. This could be at her place or in a more secluded setting. Segment 9. Subtle dressing choices. Women may make specific dressing choices to sexually flirt. They might wear more revealing or alluring outfits. These choices can be deliberate signals of their attraction. Segment 10. Inviting you to personal spaces. If she invites you into her personal spaces, such as her bedroom or bathroom, it's a strong indicator of her intentions. It's an invitation for more intimate interactions. Segment 11. Openly expressing desire. When a woman openly expresses her sexual desire for you, there's no room for doubt. Words like "I want you" or "I can't resist you" leave little to the imagination. Segment 12. Initiating sexual advances. Initiating sexual advances is a clear sign of sexual flirting. This includes taking the lead in physical intimacy. It shows a direct interest in taking things to the next level. Segment 13. Creating erotic tension. When a woman creates erotic tension through her words and actions, she's sending a powerful signal. This tension can be electrifying and hard to ignore. Segment 14. Subtle teasing with a twist. Subtle teasing with a sexual twist, often combined with intense eye contact, is a classic move. It builds anticipation and can be incredibly seductive. Segment 15. Descriptions of past encounters. Sharing detailed descriptions of past intimate encounters or experiences is a strong indicator of sexual interest. It's a way of creating a connection and letting you know about her desires. Segment 16. Playful flirting games. Playful flirting games can be used to create a charged atmosphere and gauge your interest. These games can be intriguing and flirtatious. Segment 17. Sexual playfulness. Women may engage in sexual playfulness, such as sending playful photos or suggesting fun, intimate activities. It's a way of keeping the flirtation exciting. Segment 18. Making bold moves. Bold moves, like leaning in for a kiss or whispering in your ear, are clear signs of sexual flirting. These moves create intimate moments. Segment 19. Vocal seduction. Vocal seduction, with a softer, more intimate tone, can be incredibly enticing. It's a way of creating a sensual atmosphere. Segment 20. Expressing vulnerability. When a woman expresses vulnerability or shares her insecurities with you, it's a sign of trust and emotional intimacy. This emotional connection can lead to a stronger physical connection. In conclusion, understanding the subtle signals of sexual flirting can help you navigate complex romantic situations. It's important to communicate openly, respect boundaries, and ensure both parties are comfortable. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be filled with electrifying connections and mutual understanding.